Hello, parents. My name is Eddie Doyle. I'm your student's personal fitness teacher for this year at Lake Brantley High School. A couple things that are important to know for personal fitness. It is the PE class that the students will have to graduate. So very important that they do their best in this class. The class is broken down this way. On Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, we do our activity days. So I meet the kids in the gym. They dress out in their PE uniform that they purchased, and we do our activities. On Tuesday, Thursdays, we go to the classroom and get our bookwork curriculum done in the classroom on those days. Okay, very important that your students stay up to date with the classwork stuff. If they're ever out, I'll put all the assignments on eCampus for them. They can make it up at any time as long as they show me, and I'll correct the grade. A couple things about dressing out on the Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's very important that the students wear our uniform that they purchased. The Lake Brantley shirt, the Lake Brantley shorts, and proper footwear. No Crocs, no sandals. That's for safety. Okay. Every time they do not dress out, they're actually going to get -5 off their grade. So if you see that in Skyward, you know that they didn't dress out that day. So very important that they continue to do that, and the classwork stuff as well. Okay, all that stuff adds up for our final grade. They do have a 9 weeks exam at the end of the 9 weeks that covers the stuff that we did in the classroom. When they come in the locker room, it's very important that they lock up anything that's important to them in their lockers. We provided the locks for them this year. Lock all their stuff up, leave the backpacks in the locker room. We'll go out and do our activity, come back, and then they can just dress back into their school clothes. But again, my name is Eddie Doyle. You can reach me at any time through email, the school email. I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Other than that, I hope you have a great year. Everything's going really good right now. All the students are really doing a good job, and just wish everybody the best. Stay healthy, and thanks for joining.